past simple patterns that English learners often confuse. Be plus adjective. Do plus base verb. Have plus noun. Past perfect. Active versus passive voice. Learn the correct grammar patterns and avoid common mistakes. Be plus adjective. Past simple. Correct. Was she tired after the presentation? Incorrect. Did she tired after the presentation? Rule. Be plus adjective. Affirmative. She was tired. They were tired. Negative. She wasn't tired. They weren't tired. Questions. Was she tired? Were they tired? Remember, tired is an adjective, not a verb. Do plus base verb, past simple. Correct. Did you go to the meeting? Incorrect. Did you went to the meeting? Rule. Did plus subject plus base verb. Questions. Did you go? Did you watch a movie? Negative. I didn't watch a movie. Affirmative. I watched a movie. After did, always use the base form of the verb, the emphatic past simple. Both sentences are correct. I watched a movie. I did watch a movie. Use did to. Emphasize a fact. Correct someone. Clarify what happened. Example: A. You didn't watch it. B. Actually, I did watch it. Have plus adjective plus time. Correct. We had a great time. Incorrect. We did a great time. Fixed expression. Have plus adjective plus time. Examples: we had a great time. We had a terrible time. She had an enjoyable day. This expression must be memorized. Questions with have a great time. Correct. Did you have a great time? Incorrect. Had you a great time? Rule. Did plus subject plus have. Examples: did you have a great time? Did the kids have an exciting afternoon? Common expression. They had a blast. Equal sign, they had a wonderful time. Be late versus arrive late. Correct. He wasn't late. Incorrect. He didn't late. Be plus late. He was late. He wasn't late. Was he late? Arrive plus late. He arrived late. He didn't arrive late. Did he arrive late? Be plus location versus do plus task. Correct. I was at the office yesterday. Incorrect. I did at the office yesterday. Be plus location. She was at home. They were at the restaurant. Do plus task. I did the paperwork. Did you buy paper while you were at the store? Do chores versus have chores. Both are correct, but the meanings are different. Do chores. Equal sign, perform household tasks. I did some chores yesterday. Have chores. Equal sign, be responsible for household tasks. I had a lot of chores yesterday. Having chores, viewers, doesn't mean you completed them. Have. Possession versus experience. Possession, state verb. I had a dog when I was a child. I was having a dog. Rule. Use have in the simple past for possession. She had a car. She didn't have a car. Did she have a car? Have. Experience, action verb. When have describes an experience, it can be continuous. Past continuous. She was having a great time when you called. Simple past. She had a great time at the party. Experience can use with slash where having. Possession normally cannot. Be born. Correct. She was born in Italy. Incorrect. She did born in Italy. Rule. Be plus born. Examples. I was born in 1990. Was your daughter born here? She wasn't born here. Active versus passive voice. Active. The subject performs the action. Why did you cancel the order? When did you submit the report? Passive. The subject receives the action. Why was the order canceled? When was the report submitted? Past perfect. Correct. Had you eaten before the workshop began? Incorrect. Did you eat before the workshop began? Rule. Had plus past participle. Examples. He had saved the data. Had he saved the data? Use the past perfect for an action completed before another past action. Be successful versus have success. Correct. The software update was successful. Incorrect. The software update did successful. Be plus adjective. The lesson was successful. Were you successful? Have plus noun. My students had success. Did you have success with the new software? Quick review. Be plus adjective. Was tired. Was successful. Was born. Was late. Do plus base verb. Did you go? Did you watch? Have plus noun. Had a great time. Had success. Had chores. Past perfect. Had you eaten? Active versus passive. Did you cancel it? Was it canceled? Practice these patterns, and your English will sound more natural and accurate.